I will never see rain the same way after learning these facts. Let's dive into the wild world of rain. First up, tropical regions near the equator are rain magnets, while deserts and polar areas hardly see any raindrops. Talk about unfair distribution. Next, rain is a farmer's best friend, or worst enemy. It's essential for growing crops, but too much or too little can spell disaster for agriculture. Ever heard of acid rain? It's caused by pollution and can harm plants, aquatic life, and even buildings. And who doesn't love rainbows? They happen when sunlight gets busy refracting and reflecting in raindrops, painting the sky with a spectrum of colors. Longest rain streak?